In this video, we will learn how we can create a child theme for our WordPress theme. It's very easy and simple. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. I'm already logged in, and in my appearance and theme section, you can see currently we have applied generate press theme, which is a classic theme. Now let's suppose that you want to make some changes or add some custom code to your theme and you don't want to break things and do these safely, then it's recommended that you create a child theme. So it's really useful option when you are adding something new into your theme code. So this helps you to not break the original theme. So every change goes in the child theme. Let's get started. First of all, on your device, you need to create a folder. We will name it after our theme, which is generate press dash child. Open this folder. Then here we need to add two files, style.css and function.php. Firstly, you need to add the style CSS code. I will simply copy and paste in my style CSS file. Here, you need to make sure to give the accurate template ID. You can see and find this ID in your file manager. I'm using Hostinger, so I will access my files on my file manager. You can find it under public directory. Here you need to go into WP content folder, then open themes. You can see the generate press folder name is written here. You need to make sure that you have exactly same name in the style.css file. The theme name could be any, like generate press child. Once done, we will rename it as style.css. So now this file is ready. Similarly, we will create another file, function.php. Firstly, we will copy the following code and paste inside this file. You do not need to make any changes in this file. Simply save it and rename it as functions.php, as it's already using our style.css file, which is linked to our parent theme. Once you're done, we have these two files. We will go back and zip this folder. You can compress and zip it. Now go back into your WordPress dashboard and click on Add Theme. Next, you need to click on Upload Theme. Here, you need to choose that zip file which we just created. Now click Install Now and click Activate. Our child theme has been successfully activated. So now you can make any changes in the child theme to reflect on your original theme without breaking the original theme. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe.